Hi, Amanda, the Property Reviver. Just putting some finishing touches to a partial stage that we've done on a flat in Bromley today. So this is the entrance. We've just popped a few little accessories in the kitchen, looking lovely. Again, we've just popped a few things in the bathroom here. We've actually put some nice new curtains up in the lounge. We've created a little vignette in here as well. And we've put some nice fir flowers in the window box on the balcony, looking good. Okay. And then finally, new curtains again in here with a little vase on the windowsill. And in the master bedroom, again, lovely new curtains and flowers.